What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, before I start the vlog, I wanted to show you guys the new shirt releases that are for sale now, and they are on the site, so the link will be up here. The new shirts are called Roll Call because we actually have everyone on the back that we support as of now, and then this is the front, just the Iceyyyboyz heart, and then our colors come in white, yellow, and black. This is the yellow one. And then this is the white one. This is the white one. So we recently hit 2,700 subscribers. Shout out to you guys for all the love and support. Might not be much, but it's something. And I have not done a giveaway in a long time, and this giveaway won't be on social media as in Instagram or Facebook, so it'll only be on YouTube. I just want to see how many people will actually reply and actually how many people actually watch throughout the whole video. So if there's like one comment or two comments, you guys automatically win basically. So I'll be giving out one shirt, and it won't be the yellow one, it won't be the white one, it won't be the black one. It is the new Roll Call shirts, but it will be in lime green. It's a bright ass color, but I only made one. But I will be giving out one shirt to the person that comments down below, from sizes small to extra large. So all you gotta do is comment down below on this video. That's it. That's all you gotta do to win a free shirt. But anyways, guys, enough of this talk. Let's get this vlog started. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I actually got something for the wagon, finally. It's been out of stock for months. I've been trying to buy this for the longest time. It's like something really small, but honestly, it finishes like the whole wave of my car. Shout out to Icon for getting their lips back in stock, specialized for the wagon, because when Dallas bought his rear lip, we actually tried it on my wagon in the back, and yeah, it's too short. So I guess Icon made one that was a little bit longer to fit on the Sportcross. So I'm hoping it'll fit perfect, because all the lips I bought from Icon Motorsports have fit perfectly. So fingers crossed that it's not morphed. So let's get this open. So this is a pretty cool box for a lip, but yo, check out USPS, or UPS actually. Fucking ripped my box. Shout out to you guys, UPS. Fuckers. Just kidding. The homie works at UPS. Bruh. Jeez. Oh shit, that's tight. So my rear lip, this rear lip is technically the same rear lip I have on my sedan. Oh dude, it feels way stronger. And it comes with the brackets already mounted. That's pretty fucking tight. Oh, pretty ass. This is the rear lip for the Sportcross, and it comes with the mounts already. That's pretty tight, and honestly, this material feels very strong. Way stronger than the actual rear lip for the sedan, because the rear lip on the sedan is super flimsy. But this is very sturdy. And it comes with like, look, they already riveted it in. That's pretty cool. Hopefully this actually stays how it's supposed to be. I'm kinda, let's see. Looks a bit, yeah, it looks a little bit longer. But it's super, the material is way different, you could totally tell. But, and then this side, like the width right here is way smaller than that actual sedan. The other ones, it comes out more, like all big. But let's get this mounted and see how it goes. They also come with more tools, more like screws and double-sided tape. Actual 3M too. That's pretty cool. Damn. Shout out to you, Icon. Thank you. Hopefully this shit fits good, and I'll be letting you guys know. I try to like kind of mock it up right now without recording, but I'm probably gonna wait for the homies because I need someone else to hold it from the other side because the other side just dangles off. So yeah, I just gotta wait for another person to help me out. But from the looks of it, here, these brackets line up perfectly. These brackets line up perfectly with you guys know well. These things, these tabs, they line up perfectly with these tabs. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, see, there's another one right here. So they line up perfectly with those tabs. So I could probably screw it in, zip tie it in, whatever. But we'll see right now. But I'm just gonna wait for Dallas, Travis, or guys, whoever. But honestly, it's pretty fucking hot out here. What's up, guys? So all the homies are actually busy, of course. They're actually putting in Flex's RCAs, so I'm gonna have to do this by myself. And so I kind of got it started. The mock-up is actually pretty clean, so it's really close up. Right now, I'm gonna use this tool. So it's also like, it's like a ratchet. So I don't, well, either way I have to take off the wheel, so when I do mount it, so I could drill in some screws in here properly. But for now I could just use this, and actually it's like a ratchet, and then it comes off. So let me get to that. Fuck. This ratchet actually comes in handy when you don't feel like taking off this wheel. So, but either way, I gotta take off the wheel, so when I put it on the lip, it's actually properly drilled in and mounted right, and drilled in like straight. They're all off on both sides, so it's basically a total of 6 screws. And now we get to mounting. I'm probably gonna take off the cranes right now, so I could actually drill on the lip properly. The wheel's out, and look what I just found out. Holy fuck, my shit is fucked. I need to get that shit repainted. Fucking bubbled as fuck. That was when I didn't have the TCS arms, and me and Hoffman were just pulling the shit out of it because there was absolutely no camber. But now there is, and that happened when I didn't have camber. So, quick tip, don't be impatient, guys. Take your time on everything. If you don't have all the parts that you don't have, or that you need that you don't have at the time, just wait on it. I was impatient as fuck, and that's what I got. So more damage, but that's not bad actually. So I am going to include these mounting screws in. So this one is usually the one I use because the tip will go in easier. And then I drill it in. These will be for the sides, the actual side of the rear bumper. And I honestly don't know what this one, these big ones are for, but we'll find out right now. I really do recommend you guys doing this with another buddy. I used this wheel to hold up this side, and I just screwed in one side already. And I tried using duct tape, but it kept falling. But anyways, that's the only tape I had. So I got one side in, and I'm probably gonna screw the other side, so hopefully it stays in one piece. And what the fuck? Where is all this from? A tire? Jesus. Okay, so this is 30 minutes in by myself with the lip. It lines up pretty nice. Sags a little right there. But yeah, I had to use wheels to hold it up. And I found out what this one is for. So this one, it's pretty cool because they give you washers and everything. So you just put this right through. Well, let me put the camera down. So you put that through, the washer through, or you could use it for the other side for the nut. And then you just twist that bitch in. And that's what I did on this side. So it looks pretty legit. this side. So it goes straight in there. I haven't tightened it yet, and then the nut is at the top. So yeah, it's pretty legit. And then I already told you they rivet it for you, and that's how they come with the brackets. This one, however, the middle ones you have to drill straight through your bumper, your stock bumper. So that's pretty cool. So they give you like some screws, but if you don't have any, because I don't think they give you much. I have like 3 left, but I need some for the sides, like the sides I actually drilled in. So you could just get some regular screws and screw them in, honestly, and it'll work out. So you gotta do screw, like a regular screw for that, for this. So it goes right here, that one over there, and then the 2 sides over there, like there's one on the side just like this. That's why they give you only 2 of these with a nut. So honestly, it's pretty easy install if you have another buddy like holding it up for you and guiding you. But it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Sorry, I'm like out of breath right now. I don't know why. But yeah. So this is how it looks so far. But I'm gonna get back to it and screw it all in. And dude, honestly, it looks pretty nice. Little things, guys, little things. Because I didn't have a lip for the rear, and I had a whole kit around, so let's get back to it. Okay guys, here's the progress. So the first side's already on, you already know. It's the one with the nut. First one right next to the exhaust, on. Right down the middle, the bumper, on. Right there, on. The more you scoot it closer to the end of the bumper right here, the more it's a little bit more flush. You can still see a little gap. See how you see a gap? But on the other side, you can't really see as much. But the more it is on this side of the bumper, the better. The better fitment, actually. And then I put the bolt and the nut together, and yeah, it's basically on. I'll show you guys right now. But that's how it looks like underneath the car. Pretty legit. And then I'm just gonna have to get extra screws for the sides because I only have one on each side. So yeah, I gotta go find some right now. This is how the lip looks now. It's pretty clean. Wait till I put the wheels on and everything. The only thing that bothers me the most is there is a gap right here. If you look from right here, but if you look back here, it looks fine. But there is a gap still, but honestly, this lip is actually not that bad. I like how it came with the actual brackets and it was already riveted on the lip. And fitment looks pretty good. There you guys have it. The wagon with a new rear lip. Shit is clean. I was gonna get it painted by Ricky, but for now I'm gonna leave it like this because I wanted to get it test fitted with all the holes and everything. But right now it looks fucking sweet. The wagon is finally almost done, but I honestly want to get more camber in the front and then to match the rear. But right now it's super dirty right now, because if you look, yeah, it's fucking dirty. Even the whole bottom lip is full of oil, like oily hands. But gosh, she's looking great, guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Fitment close up. This poke's out a little. Worst comes to worst, these lips, the thing about it is if you go down the driveway and you clip it, this part right here will rip off. This side is always the one that rips off, and then the whole lip just falls apart because it's so weak right here and just trash. But my sedan, my rear lip, never broke on me so far, knock on wood. But yeah, dude, I've had this rear lip for like 2 years and she's still on there. She's slowly burning away from the exhaust. But yeah, that shit is fucking clean. Hopefully the stock exhaust doesn't burn through this plastic. Oh shit, it's like right on it. Fuck it. How dirty it is. Shit's dirty as fuck. But that is how you guys put on an Icon Motorsports Sportscross rear lip by yourself. Honestly, I don't recommend it. It probably will go faster by probably 20 minutes, 15 minutes with 2 people. But it took me at least an hour because I wanted to make sure everything was good. And yeah, I had to find a couple screws for the rear or the sides, 2 screws for like 15 minutes, but it's looking great. It's kind of low for me, a bit too low. Anyways guys, that will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. And that is how you install is300 Sportscross rear lip. And I do recommend you doing it with a buddy, not by yourself, because it will be 10 times easier and 10 times faster. And the fitment of the lip on the actual rear bumper will look way better. I also want to give a big shout out to the homie Kyler for letting me know that this rear lip was in stock, because this lip has been out of stock for the Sportscross for a long while. So thanks Kyler. And if you guys do want to win that t-shirt, don't forget to comment down below anything, honestly, anything. And it'll only be a YouTube giveaway to the subscribers and to the watchers that always watch our videos and this video. So I always wanted to give a care package or a t-shirt, a giveaway technically, to one of our YouTube subscribers instead of Instagram, because you know, you guys at least watch this video or our videos in general. But anyways guys, that'll be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Deuces.